everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing an Easter slime, but it's not just me. By the way, I'm in a different location. I am in our smoke room, and I have a special guest today with me, and her name is Cherry. If y'all don't know, y'all watched yesterday, no, day before yesterday, I had a vlog telling you guys that she was coming, but I didn't know exactly when, so we're going to be making Easter slime, but Dollar Tree style. The only thing that's not from Dollar Tree is the paints, because these paints are from school paints, because we get to keep the paint. I'm trying to lower the TV and I didn't get to do that. So let's get straight into it. She's going to be making a small slime because I only want to use one bottle of glue because I have some more videos. And let's just say I don't want to try to spend so much money on slime supplies, because it costs, just saying, it does cost. Okay. Y'all are not going to see us anymore. Y'all going to see the bowls. Oh, but what you're going to be needing is your paint. We have white, pink, red, yellow, and blue, all pretty much Easter colors. We have lotion, or glue, or bowls or spoons, shaving cream, another bottle of glue just in case, and our activator. And we have one other thing of everything in my slime container over there. So now let's get started. Bowl. First thing I'm going to be doing is sticking our glue into the bowl. So Cherish is going to be staying for a whole week. Even summer break. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll have to cut this open and get the rest of the glue, but I'm not going to do that today. I'll do that later on. So, hold on, Annie.
I wish I was making a big slime.
With your shaving cream, you will be making a big slime. Y'all hear noise in the background? It's our birds.
They're annoying, aren't they?
Things I do for you guys. Okay, that's enough glue because I'm tired of squeezing it. Yep, she already knows. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough, child. Ooh. She's just having a blast. Ooh. Fork. I'm going to add a lot because I want a pretty big slime. Because I have so many big slime containers. And
I was almost going to lick this.
I've been making, by the way, I did film a fishbowl bead slime video, but my camera, somehow I forgot to put the memory card in, and sadly, the video got lost. Okay, what color slime do you want to make? You want to make yellow, red?
Mix the colors up.
You want to mix, we're not going to be making pink, you guys, because that pink gets really messy, but the red will turn into a pink. So she wants white. I'm going to do yellow,
Blue and red.
You don't want yellow in it? So she wants white, blue, and red. And I just want yellow. So I think this is a
It's going to make purple. No, it's going to make, yeah.
But you got to let them see? Oh, she's making purple. Well, we had purple paint, but it's not really a Easter one.
Look at mine.
There's something not right.
Oh.
I knew something wasn't right.
Everybody, this is awesome.
Oh yeah,
dang it, I got some on my chin.
You got some paint on your chin?
And my hands.
Oh. Ignore him. Okay, you guys, now we will put glitter in it.
Yep. Glitter,
Maybe.
glitter, the winner. The winner.
Yeah, really. Okay, I'm not gonna worry about them because it's just taking up so much time. That's a lot of yellow paint. That's okay. It's okay because I want it really yellow. I'm being like Adeline Moron right now. Hers is actually a really deep foam. Foam color. You guys, I'm loving this yellow color.
I'm loving this purple color.
Now we're gonna add the lotion in.
Now put some lotion in mine. I'm gonna make it a surprise.
No, Nanny, they have to see it. Okay, ready for the activator?
Yeah.
You guys, let me know in the comments down below what other activators you want me to try. I will be doing the contact lens solution because it does make good slime and it doesn't turn your slime into a color. Shut up, birds. That's how you have to do sometimes. You gotta mix up good. And by the way, Easter is tomorrow, and we are not going to be doing vlogging Easter. We're just going to be showing you guys what we got for Easter tomorrow.
Yeah, and I bought eggs.
But I might do a little vlog of Easter. Just a little bit, but mainly I won't be vlogging. She will. I'm going to give her the camera, and she's going to be vlogging. And it is totally terrific Saturday. Like I said, tomorrow's Easter. There's going to be a video about Easter on Monday. That's going to be our haul. And tomorrow, Cherish is going to do a little Easter vlog. She's not going to do it until everybody gets there. Yep. I'm going to be vlogging her opening her presents. That's why, that's when she's going to be vlogging.
I want to open my presents.
And she's going to be vlogging me opening my presents.
Wait, what about I open the presents and you vlog them?
Yeah. Oh, okay. Let me see what you have. Okay, you don't need no more activator. Yours is getting good. She's just the activator bottle in front of you guys. Okay, I want mine a little bit more yellow. Do you want some more white in there?
Yeah.
That way it won't stain your hands.
Yeah.
Purple. Golly, your hands are already purple. I'm putting a lot of white paint because that's a really dark color and I really do not want it to stain her hands. Okay, you guys. I'm going to mix this just until it gets off of the bowl. Ooh. I'm adding some more color because the activator turns it to like a yellowish, bluish, like a mustard yellow. I hate mustard and I hate the color of mustard. So, yeah. Okay. Ooh, that's actually a really beautiful color.
It looks blue on the
screen.
screen.
Oh yeah, it actually does. It looks blue on camera, but it's actually purple in real life.
Y'all should come to our house and see it.
That would be awesome if I get a subscriber to come to the house.
Yeah, it would be awesome.
I'm gonna go in with my hands, you guys. Going in. Let me feel your consistency. Oh, add a little bit more activator. I'm going to change your shirt because that shirt is actually getting really dirty.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, you need some more activity.
Holy, holy. Holy schmoly, macaroni.
Macaroni.
Hey, look, it's coming off the bowl. So I mix it with my hands now?
I guess. Just try not to get it on the table.
Okay.
Because I don't want my mother killing me.
True. It's so sticky.
Let's put some of it on your hands. Oh, I got on the table, Shy. Shut up, Dukester.
That's a funny name for a dog. And a weird name.
No, that's his name. Well, his real name is Duke. Y'all know that. Watch my videos. Oh, and in today's shout out, I'm giving a big shout out to who's sitting next to me. What's your name, dear?
Cherish.
Yep, I'm giving her a shout out today. Well, she just technically gave her own self a shout out. The things I do for y'all.
Look, it's coming off my hand.
She's getting a really good pro. She's gonna be the slime
Expert.
Well, I'm the slime queen and the slime expert.
So I'm just gonna do this slime.
No, you're gonna be my slime queen assistant.
No,
And
it's
soon,
sitting
you
on the
guys,
table.
she is gonna be making her own videos, and she will be making
Can you
her
help
very
me?
own video on my channel soon. While she is here. And you guys, another thing, dear. Oh, hold on, let me fix this one, and I'll fix yours for you. Okay? It's super sticky. Nanny, hold on, Nanny's gonna help. Whoa, I think that was a little bit too much.
You did.
Okay. Just start trying to mix it as best as you can.
I'm trying to get it off my hands.
Oh my god. This video might not have an outro, but if it does, y'all already know the outro. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, comment, and tell as many people as y'all would like. Or you don't even have to do it about my channel. And ask them if they can please subscribe. And if they don't feel like subscribing, that is okay. And hit that bell, that way you can be a part of the Angel family. And comment down below you are subscribed and have that post notification bell. And you might just be a part of the Angel family squad. Okay, mine is okay. It's just a little bit
Sticky.
yeah. Just gonna stick that in front of you guys. Hopefully it doesn't drip on the tripod. Because if it does, I am not asking or ordering another tripod. Because tripods are expensive. Oh, you getting it, girl? Oh my god. Yeah, hers is a little bit worse. No, mine was worse than hers. Wow, and I'm the slime expert. And she's doing good by herself. Ew. Okay, now actually mine's was a little bit, just about a pinch better than hers. Oh no, actually. Nope, hers is better. Hers is better. Okay, you ready to stick?